You gotta hurry. Where's your hurry, brother?
No one breaks the barrier line.
Look at them. They need to move back. Move back. Move back. You're gonna break it. Then we have to wait. Oh man, that is so cool.
No running.
No, did he say no running?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I'm in a wheel. I'm in a school.
No running?
No running?
No running.
So wait, how wait?
You need to walk gingerly.
Fast walk. That's the only way of doing it.
You need to walk gingerly.
I know. I was gonna say I'm fast walking.
Walk, yes.
Hey, just
You know how to fast walk?
The bathroom really bad.
Yes, there you go. Pretend like you have to use the bathroom really
Yeah,
bad.
Why is the car so big?
Come on, dude, let's go.
He's upstairs over here, put him over there.
Oh, that would really be funny, wouldn't it?
Please no. Oh, they're so close to picking the line.
Wait, where?
Oh,
They're so close.
we're trying to make sure that these people right here don't break the line. Wow, where is he? Oh, wow! Look! Oh, wow! Look at that! Look at!
You can see the bag.
Oh, wow! Oh, that's so cool! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Wow!
I wonder what it's gonna look like when he drops it.
Wow! Oh my God, that is so cool! Oh! Oh, there goes one!
Oh my god.
Look at the ground! Look at the ground!
What about here?
It's all in the middle, like I knew.
Wow! Oh my gosh, that is so freaking amazing. Happy Easter, everybody. Wow. That couldn't have been 1,000, right?
Yeah. Right there. Run
Oh my God. That is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen in my life. Man, look at that. All these eggs.
I'm getting cold real fast.
You feel the wind in the helicopter.
Yes, it's cold. Is he always dropping more? Wow! Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that I can't take it. I love it so much. Look how he's making the ground, the wind on the ground. My goodness, wow.
You ready, brother?
Wow. Wow.
Everybody, volunteers, help us right now. No one goes yet.
I almost forgot the plan.
Well, I want to get one of those bags too.
No running.
It's such a lame rule that there's no running. Like, what? Fast walk so fast it's gonna look like
I'm gonna take videos of everybody running.
Be like, this person ran
Whatever they miss, I'm going to pick up. While they're all going that way, I'm going to pick up this crap.
The best thing is to go all the way to the back. Because everyone's going to the front.
Guys, once again, this was possible.
It's left. Let's go, guys. Yeah, you said that.
Legacy Funeral Home.
Just keep going. We love God.
No, just wait.
Thank you so much. And if you do not have something to do on Easter morning, we are expecting you at Calvary Chapel here in El Sereno.
So I can run.
I'm going to go too, buddy.
You're running as well? Well, now you don't have to run. You can pass walk.
Why everybody is getting stuff and passing over all the stuff.
Do you have a bag?
I'm gonna collect the stuff they miss.
I can't hear you.
Yes! Get the candy they drop. 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 Nope. This is what everybody looks like trying to get Easter eggs. Look at all the kids. Fun times. Happy Easter, everybody.